Just look at the beautiful Scania standing here, the King's Blue Limited Edition. We didn't just release this for no reason. It's exactly 80 years ago this year that the first Scania was imported by Beers & Sons. To celebrate the anniversary, Scania is releasing the King's Blue Limited Edition. 80 years, 80 units exclusive to the Netherlands. The name says it all. King from King of the Road and blue from its iconic color that gives this edition its character. I'd like to take you through the special details of the exterior of this edition. The cab is painted in sapphire blue metallic. The grille and the chassis are painted in high gloss black, which makes the details stand out even more. A nice detail is also the red outlining on the Scania letters and model designation. We find this red outlining again on the anthracite painted Alcoas under this truck. There are also black wheel nut caps on it, which brings out the accents even better. The unique striping makes this truck instantly recognizable. The griffin on the side. King's Blue Limited Edition logo with a little crown. King's Blue Limited Edition badge, 1 of 80. A full 80 years have been seamlessly integrated into the logo. Listen. The recurring oak leaf, which serves as a symbolic reference to this 80-year anniversary. The King's Blue Limited Edition is not only beautiful to look at, but is also versatile. This model is available in an R and S cab, and a variety of configurations are also possible. The limited edition is equipped with 2 air-suspended premium seats. These are ventilated and heated. They are also made of real leather. And a nice detail is the 80 years Scania Netherlands emblem in the headrest. And there's also blue stitching throughout the entire seat, which is reflected in the floor mats, the door panels, and the dark wood steering wheel. In the door, we also find the 80 years Scania Netherlands badge. The unique serial number on a stainless steel plate painted anthracite grey. For maximum comfort, this truck is also equipped with a high-end audio system including 2 subwoofers. With every King's Blue edition, you also get an exclusive jacket. That jacket features your unique serial number. The truck is equipped with all the safety systems you could ever wish for. Blind spot detection on both the left and right sides, automatic emergency braking, lane assist, adaptive cruise control. Basically everything you could possibly want. That's what Scania stands for, total safety. And there's more. 8 of the 80 owners will win an exclusive trip to Sweden. These will be announced at the Mega Truck Festival in Den Bosch in 2026. Do you want to be one of those 80? Call your Scania dealer.